Hello guys, this is Joyce and I am here because I am trying to do some organization. This is my card basket, okay? These are all cards that I have made and over the last year or so, and I'm telling you, I have to do something. They have got to be organized. I mean, cards are everywhere. So my goal is to go through this basket, and I'm going to show you at the end. I'll show you the container that my sister gave me that I want to use for storage for my cards. And this is what I want to do. All cards need to be individually wrapped in the envelope, in the plastic sleeve with an envelope. They have been stamped. Some you know, as you can see, these are cards that I recently made, but this is, I think, gonna be a life changer for me, because I noticed that sometimes, like this one, I need to find some bigger envelopes and do those. Cards are getting dirty, they are getting bent up, and I love these cards, so I am going to be doing all sizes. I need to find envelopes for mini slimlines, and guys, I mean, look at them. It's just a hot mess. That's a cutie that I really like. So my goal is to go through here and to, how cute is that for a springtime card? But everything's a hot mess. Here are cards that should be going to my girlfriend, which I was looking for those. So anyway, that is my goal. So I will be back. That's a cutie that I did at one of the so my goal is to go through here, get everything organized. How cute is that? I need to do slimline cards also. I have quite a few, and I need to get them done the same way because all cards count. So my goals, I got square cards. So I have to find envelopes for all of these because they are all good. So yeah, that is my goal for organization, and I will be back once I have everything put together and organized, okay? So stay tuned, because this is gonna be a long project. Yeah, it's pitiful. So guys, I'll be back. Hello, this is Joyce, and I am back with the second part of my organizing my cards. Close to being finished, but I wanted to share this because I need to get everything, find a place to put them. When in the earlier clip, you'll see that my cards were a hot mess. They were unorganized, they were getting bent up and what have you, and now they are better. Still got some more, and I will be putting them in order of types or sentiments. But guys, this is my cards. These are some mini slimline cards, and I just put everything in plastic sleeves. I don't have envelopes for these yet, so I am looking for envelopes that'll fit the mini slimline. I have all kinds of cards that I made from kits, but they are all in plastic sleeves with the envelope. They have been stamped on the back, so these are all my 5x7s. I am so excited because now they are not getting all bent up. And then that just goes, I got lots of birthdays and I can see them. These were some cards that I bought for Mother's Day for my granddaughters and all the people that had babies that I didn't make any Mother's Day cards. So I had a few left over, 6x6s. This card, you can see where it got bent here, so I will be trying to smooth that out. And then these are my slim lines, and they have envelopes with them. And so those are all the slim lines, except for these. I needed envelopes and I ran out of envelopes that fit these. These are a little wider. These are like 4 1/4 across, and so I just need a regular number 10 envelopes for that. Here are some more slim lines, and I'm so excited because now I can just go in here and see what I have. Mother's Day cards that I had bought, and that goes somewhere back there. Some more 5x7s. So guys, I am truly excited. Over here we have A2s. They are not in order yet, but it is so much better. I got men cards, so I'm going to be making dividers so that I can actually separate them. All these cards were just thrown in here before, and Christmas cards are kept someplace different. And these are just, I think I'm going to make these into cards. These are some postcards that I had made, and so I think I'm going to make these into cards and use them for my granddaughters. They've been sitting around for a couple years now. These are some cards. I ran out of the plastic sleeves, so I had to order some more, but these are some more cards that I want to be able to use, and I'm going to finish these off. So I got card bases for days where I need to be finished off, and so I need to finish those, but they are just here to keep them organized. And then this is just this is a birthday card, but it's just weird, and I would just give this one to somebody that I could hand it to. My one and only wedding card, and I need to put it in an envelope. Like I say, I ran out of sleeves. So then I have, this was a kit that I had from Hunky Dory. So everything is now ready to go, and guys, this makes so much more sense to me now. This one didn't fit into an A2 envelope, so I'm going to make an envelope. I have some 4x4 cards that I also left out with extra card bases that I plan to make into cards. You know, complete them because they weren't completed. I just did the bases. So guys, this, I love this, okay? I am so excited that now I just need a place to put them. Once I get them organized by type, I can just go in and pull a card, okay? I will still be making cards for certain people, but generic cards, I have plenty of those. I have cards that for my sisters, and it's just so much better organized, and I'm excited. So stay tuned. I probably won't show you after putting in the dividers and stuff. I need to do some more thank you cards. I'd really like that, so I'll probably do this again. But yeah, guys, that is it. I just wanted to share that with you, and all types of cards, because I do like making the slimline cards, and I really like making the mini slimlines, but I need to find envelopes to fit these. So guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned because there are more projects coming, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.